Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We decided to go on a little hike today. Here's Maddie. We are in Maggie Valley, North Carolina, and we're gonna hike Waterrock Knob Trail. So let's get to it. We made it. Let's go on a hike.
See that? That's the elevation of the mountain.
That's the elevation of the mountain.
Do you want that?
I do.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking
Alright, we're
for.
a second in. How are we feeling?
Tired.
Oh, gotta move over.
Pops
is trying to get us off trail.
Bigfoot. OMG.
I mean, it starts off pretty good.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
Stinks.
Before I sleep,
Welcome to
hear the
PE.
crickets, see the moon. Side
We
by
came
side
in
and
way down there.
no limit to what we can do. Oh,
It might be half a mile one way, but it packs a punch.
Found what we're looking for in life.
Pops is way up there.
It's crazy, but
Bench.
alright.
312.
You
I
and
think we
I
found first head of humans.
Y'all, we're getting our workout in today.
I thought this was gonna be like an easier trail.
No. Short, but fierce.
Even in the hard times.
Y'all, I don't know what it is, but it stinks out here. Nature stinks so bad.
Bamboozled too, like the rotten stuff.
Alright, y'all gonna do this hill with me.
You and I, we got it.
Feel the burn.
Need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
I don't think it's that strong.
From Georgia.
Alright, so it's minute 2, 3. I really don't know how long we've been here, not long, but this one decided it's time for a PB Sammy break.
Yup.
It's
I
a-
made 3 and one of those is for you.
Yep. Y'all, I had to work today. I got up at 4:50 and got a little over 3 hours in. I'm tired.
Oh, and by the way, if you're looking for a really, really easy trail to do, don't do this.
It's kind of a big hill. Oops. This is the trail. This is what it is. We're way down there, y'all. More steps. Yeah. And there's a... People are gonna think I'm trying to video them. Y'all, I'm not. Look at the mountains.
I have a bottle of water if anyone
I
wants
was gonna say I have part of one, and I haven't drinking out of it. Oh, well, we're stopping, y'all. I'm gonna flip y'all around. Look how pretty. They made friends with them. I'm on top of the world. Yeah, we should have looked at our Fitbits to see like where we started so we'd know when half a mile was up. Alright, so this is what we have to look forward to, you guys. Okay, Maddie needs help. You got this, girl. Alright. Did it. Sorry about the footage. Okay, y'all gotta go up. Y'all, do y'all hear that? Everybody just turned and looked. Someone's a believer. Leave it to Pops, y'all.
You can't even pop to my eye.
Yeah, poor Maddie. made it, y'all. That was a little challenge. And look.
I ain't trying to forget. I just wait for my black swan. Always in the dark. Always with the sun.
If I collapse involuntarily, it's gonna
Alright guys, we're on our way back down. I had to push y'all up because that was a really, oh, sorry, you're fine. It was really steep back there. And we just ran into somebody from church that we know. So that was a little awkward because really, we only know about this trail because he posted it on Facebook. And here we are, and we see him, so. Go us. Who would have thought? Y'all see Maddy back there? Where are you? There she is. Y'all, my legs are shaking so bad.
Mine too. Oh my gosh. That's why some people keep tripping.
Well, we're almost here, aren't we? Like this.
Wait, is this it? No, it's not.
No, it's-
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
We got.
Only halfway back. Okay. Oh, my legs, my legs, my legs.
Well, I don't want you to be behind when we get down here.
Okay.
Isn't it so pretty? Nana's hallucinating. Y'all go check out their channel. I'll put an info card when they get it up. I can't go. It's so peaceful though. I love this right here. It's a little hard to stop myself. My legs don't want to stop.
Look, this is the bench where I stopped.
There's her bench. Where she got her PB Sammy.
I'm about to need a WT water.
And there's another trail.
North Carolina Trail System Mountains to Sea Trail.
But we'll have to come back and do that one.
Okay.
You're about to need a what, Mommy?
I said a WT water.
WTWA.
Yeah, because you said PB something.
PBJ?
Some, I don't know anymore.
Sammy.
Yeah,
A PB Sammy. That's
Yeah.
what I put on the board. We need PB Sammys.
What is the letters that you're looking
Water.
for? Oh, water.
WT.
I was fixing to say she needs an NAP.
Yes. Yes.
That'll probably be after we find something for dinner. When we get to the bottom, we're going to do something close to eat dinner because I'll speak for myself. I'm starving.
I'm not starving, but I could eat.
Okay, I'm really hungry, but I'll be starving by the time we get to where we're going to eat something.
I'm more thirsty than hungry right now.
I think we need eggs and bread.
Why don't you just get your water?
That's a great idea.
Do you need help?
I do.
Hold, please. Now look. It's so pretty.
We're almost there.
Pops is like, he's over this hike, I think.
I think he also needs an NAP.
Hey, Pop. Hey, Pop. Did you find Bigfoot? Not yet. All right.
All right, y'all, so we're almost back down, but look, we found Bigfoot's toothpick right here. That's so funny.
I feel like we're going, hi-ho.
Step.
hi-ho. Oh, yes, there's a step.
I almost knocked this thing over.
It's off to eat reach.
Poor Nana. She's got food on the brain.
I need to explain better.
Thank you, Maddy. I need energy.
I need flat surface.
I have to turn around because my toes cram in the hip of your shoes. If you turn around, your toes are like, oh, thank you.
I haven't tried that, so I'm scared to go backwards.
Mine stay put.
I know if it weren't for the fact that I'd have probably killed myself falling over this thing, I would have brought mine.
Yeah, we could have been triplets.
We are at parking lot.
Y'all, we spent hours hiking. We're so in shape.
Like totes.
Totes. That was nothing.
Back in with you guys later.
All right, we're back to civilization, so we're gonna put you guys up so I don't feel too much of a fool. Peace out. Let's go find some food.
Yum. Or dip.
Which one? I mean, point
This-
on the map. Show us on the map.
sorry, this one.
That one is where?
Is right over there. It's like one of the highest ones, and it's got very small, subtle dip.
Gotcha. I got your hand in there. Okay, y'all, we're going to the apple barn. If you've never been, it is a must. You have to go. They have some of the best fritters and apple butter, and we might have to bring some home. So we will check back in at dinner. Welcome to Apple Barn. What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get fried chicken.
Fried chicken. Alright, y'all, we're here. Very short wait. In case you want to look at the menu, here's what they got. Scroll really fast.
Not bad.
Apple bread and the best apple butter. Yum, yum. Alright, first bite. Yum. Yum, yum. Alright guys, so that is a wrap on today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and hit that bell, and make sure you subscribe. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye!